What's up? Welcome to the channel or welcome back. I'm Xavier and today we're gonna be watching People We Meet on Vacation. So this is a little Valentine's Day vibe for us today. Um, Seeing people mention this movie a little bit, just found it interesting, just felt like checking it out. Um, Sir, this got some mostly positive reviews, so let's see about that. So in this rom-com based on Emily Henry's novel, it's an adaptation. Total opposites Poppy and Alex grew closer over years of summer travels until one trip changes everything. Okay, I think I've seen these people in like one or two movies. There is like a background supporting characters. I don't know. I'll check out their letterbox and IMDb or whatever at the end of the discussion. So let's get into it.
On vacation, you can be anyone you want. You can do anything you want. You can spend an entire day at the beach.
Yeah.
Sun on your face and clear skies above. You strike up conversations with fellow travelers.
Not really, but very true. People do that.
Going, or confident. You'll get swept off your feet by a handsome stranger. Get some much needed alone time. On vacation is great.
Very good vibes from him.
Free to slip in that fancy shower.
What?
Free to lie dead for days because you put the do not disturb sign up. Your corpse gradually decomposing until a concerned cleaning lady comments on the putrid puppy.
Yeah, going.
I just read the words gradually decomposing on your screen? No. Well,
Yeah, you were doing too much. You were doing too much.
I was just trying something new, and this isn't done, like, at all. It's just,
Larry, take it down. Take it down.
consider leaving my husband and children after reading your article, then you are not doing it right. Okay?
Okay, makes sense. I get that. Yeah, I'm locked in.
How are my plants? Oh, Mom, it's a massacre. One shriveled lime, hot sauce, mustard, and no other ingredients.
Please use a different type of houseplant, please.
I don't really think Sarah and Alex would want me to be there.
They broke up.
Whatever happened between you and Alex, get over it.
Okay, and get your ass to Barcelona.
I don't know. David, it's... Hello? David?
Yup.
David?
He's not there. Yeah. Alexander the Greatest. Nice little... I dig those vibes.
hey!
Oh, we're doing time travel. Cool.
You're an hour late.
Didn't you say, like, 8-ish?
Well, it's 9.
Oh, sorry, it's my bad. Yeah, I had to get breakfast. I get really weird if I don't eat.
Weird. Did you say it's not her weird?
You blocked my whole field of vision, so you...
Oh!
And I'd like to get ahead of the traffic.
Dude, I'm sure we'll be fine.
I just knew that was coming. Knew that.
So tell me everything, like, just from the top. Were you born in Linfield? Natural? C-section? But why?
Hey, I have an idea. Maybe we just don't talk for a little bit.
Ooh! Oh, spicy! I might have overdid it.
I'm sorry. Can you just be careful with that?
Wait, I got it.
Oh, jeez.
Shit!
Come on. See? Should have been paying attention to the road.
Okay, if you could be anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Not in the car with you.
Cortado, a cigarette cafe.
What's the
You
cortado?
smoke?
No, Paris me would smoke.
Oh, okay.
Canada.
Just to recap, your top 3 destinations are where we are going, where we just left, and the more polite version of the US?
Yes. This is what's gonna make them bond the song. Or not.
And that's just the Kenny G catalog.
You've got to be kidding me.
What else do you hate?
Flops.
Flip-flops?
Yeah.
Okay.
Christmas music.
What? No, it's not true. I hate running. What?
He loves running.
I love running.
Face it, Alex, you and I are not meant to be together.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
I have a girlfriend.
That's so cool. Enjoy a little casual sex.
What are you doing?
Isn't it great?
No.
It's a friggin' wishing well. To a gas station in the middle of nowhere. Well, do you want to know what I wished for?
Doesn't work like that.
Oh, it does. Oh, I didn't know that.
What?
Did you lock the car?
Yeah? And I thought that you had the keys.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
That sucks, man. That absolutely sucks.
Maybe AAA isn't here yet because they locked their keys in their truck. And who would they call? Quadruple A?
Hey, Alex's girlfriend, is he a murderer?
She's just kidding. Just ignore her.
No, he dodged the question. If Mom likes her, she's a keeper.
My mom never met Sarah.
Oh, your mom's dead?
She died when I was little.
And I was just so lonely.
Just
I
didn't,
was always on the outside of everything.
didn't vibe with the people.
I got invited to this party. Brian Kelvey kissed me. Horrible experience. The next day at school, he told everyone that I blew him.
Oh.
Oh, for the next 3 years, it was porny poppy.
Damn.
That's awful.
Very awful.
Screw those guys.
You can actually be who you want to be instead of who they say you are.
If I'd have known you then, I wouldn't have called you that.
You know, I think I believe you.
It gives those vibes for real.
And thanks for being the first person who I've told that story to who didn't ask whether I did it.
Good night, Poppy.
Good night, Alex.
That's wild that people, everybody she's told that to, as actually she did it. Wow.
You're a tiny fighter.
I like that.
They're bonding. Yay.
Friends do not shake hands.
Oh. Hey. They've already got a handshake.
You're getting me in trouble. What are we, 10? No one can hear us. Everyone can hear you. So I'm just gonna tell him that I'm not going, so he doesn't think it's because of him.
Hello?
Help me! I'm pulling really. I'm wiggling and I'm pulling you.
Hello, Poppy.
Sorry, who's this?
You called me.
Yes, I did. I did.
So where is R&R sending you this time?
Barcelona.
Oh.
What?
I don't. Yeah, it's so funny. I can attend the wedding.
Okay, wow. Cool.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What?
Are you still there?
Yeah. Shut up. Don't talk like that, but.
Yes, looking forward to catching up, buddy.
Wow. Deep down in my heart, I knew that was gonna happen.
Me too. I like the fit. 10 out of 10. Yeah.
Will you tell me once again?
Then I'ma do right by you. And if you keep it tight, you if you hang with.
I just landed. You were singing pretty loud.
Yeah, my bag came out first, and that never happens.
Cool.
Cool.
Offering me a handshake.
I didn't know what was
Appropriate?
appropriate. Because I come from a very hug-forward family.
I know.
Oh, okay. So one summer after they met. Cool.
Ta-da! What the hell is that? Are those condoms?
I can demo on a banana if you need.
Alex and I are just friends. That's it. No, don't shake the condom box to make a point, please. He's nervous about flying because he's never flown before.
By sheer coincidence.
Boy, you are as nervous as a cat in a room full of rocking chairs.
What?
Is this your first time? Poppy told you? This is a big deal, what you two are doing.
Thank you, that's what I said, and Poppy just laughed at me.
Aw, that's not nice.
They're miscommunicating.
That is true, but it doesn't make the first time any easier.
The science of it, to try and calm my nerves, sometimes it just goes down. For no reason at all, mechanical failure.
But yeah, well, that can happen sometimes, but you're a young guy. You can't let it affect your confidence.
Don't want to die.
Why would you die? You have a heart problem?
What do you think we're talking about?
Sex. What do you think we're talking about?
Oh no.
Do you have room in your carry-on for that giant box of condoms for all the sex that we're gonna have?
Missing him. Anyway, all you gotta do is take 2 of these at takeoff.
Drugs and condoms. Our work is done here.
Yeah. Good job.
Alex, wake up. Come on. I swear he's not dead. He's just on drugs. No, I mean, not those kinds of drugs. Just... Alex! I say we just wing it. See where the wind takes us. You know, if you just stand like that all night, this is fine for me. Yeah.
Nice view. Yeah, I dig it.
Giant chainsaw sculpture that fits right in your carry-on.
Yes, exactly.
He speaks to me. I do not care what he is saying right now. I mean, look at him. He's hot.
If I said that about a girl, you'd say I was being creepy.
I know, it's an unfair double standard.
You want to jump his bone.
Baby.
Wow.
Can't hear anything up here, it's so loud. I said, she wants to bang you.
Oh,
He was just kidding.
well, that sucks for me. You guys seem like you're fun. My friends and I were posted up at this amazing spot. It's by McNabb Creek. So good.
Okay, this is gonna be interesting.
They're from
Boston.
Ohio, Boston. Cool. Never been there.
Where are we?
You're where the wind has taken us, Alex. So Daisy was making eyes at you.
She's just on drugs.
No, I think she wants you.
Those are not mutually exclusive.
Oh yeah.
Alex, you're on vacation. On vacation, people do stupid shit.
I don't do stupid shit.
Yeah, well, maybe vacation Alex does.
Yeah, you should.
Who wants to go skinny dipping?
Alex does.
Good luck, Alex.
Do you want to see my tent?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
We're all getting naked and so far from the water. It's vacation, Alex!
Oh no. Oh my gosh. I see, I was thinking, I was like, wait, is he too close?
It's Latin for remember you must die. Because we're gonna die. You are gonna die.
Cool.
Yeah.
Way to bring up the vibes. Yeah. 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 You messed up real bad.
Poppy? That's all look the same.
Oh, he's gonna go in the wrong tent.
Poppy!
What if I don't go and he dies?
We're all gonna
I
die.
mean, it might just be his time.
What do you want me to do?
I need clothes, now!
Okay.
No, not.
You're full moon, man. You're ripped.
He runs.
Vacation Alex wears women's clothes.
Would we still be friends if we didn't go to the same college? I mean, like,
Ever?
hypothetically.
Probably not.
Every summer, wherever we are, whatever we're doing, whoever we're with, we meet somewhere in the world for a trip.
Okay, so this is why we're doing it by summers. I get that.
How did we become people who talk about the weather?
Life, man, life.
Does it mean that we were officially grown-ups, Betty Con?
You know, she was old.
You can just
Yeah, I bet it feels awful to not know that your ex-best friend's like grandparent is gone and you just finding out now, like that's gotta be awful.
This is ridiculous. I'm just gonna fix it.
Well, I'm going on the record to say I did not ask you to do this for me.
Okay, so we'll skip 2 summers. Alright. No, sorry. We skip 1 and now we're back to yeah.
I'm just happy he was okay with you coming.
Oh, summer trips are non-negotiable.
Cheers to that. Maybe though we should have done the beignets and the coffee before the hurricanes.
No, I think we did it perfectly.
Okay.
Beignets on the
They're just
house full of
having fun.
lovebirds. Enjoy your honeymoon.
Thank you.
Are you gonna pretend that you're newlyweds?
We just got hitched too. So sweet.
Congratulations, you two.
That was too good.
And then he got down on one knee, and the rest is a blur.
Work in Paris. What do you do, Keith?
Look at the
I work in government.
accent.
You don't have to be shy, baby. We can trust them.
A lot of coups, you know, assassinations. Just boring stuff, really. But the benefits are great.
Barkeep, can I borrow your auxiliary cord, please?
Oh, Gladys, nobody wants this.
Oh no.
Absolutely do.
What is she doing?
Sounds like they want to see it.
Can Alex actually dance?
Let's give the people what they want.
Oh, this song that he hates.
Oh, come on, Vacation Alex. Is that the best that you've got?
You asked for this.
Forever your girl. Good job, good job.
I love it when you get weird.
I'm only weird when I'm with you.
Oh, many alcohol.
Okay, so I see the chemistry. I see it now. Yeah.
I'm like the other side of the magnet. The closer that I get to a guy, the more I want to push him away.
Except Alex.
You will be drawn to the right person at the right time. Maybe that's Julian.
Nah.
Damn!
I'm gonna die alone, Alex.
Okay.
How about we die alone together?
Sounds like a good plan.
Ow, 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 ow,
Oh
ow.
shit, you okay?
Is there a bone sticking out?
No.
And you don't scream faster, faster, faster in my ear.
How did you know that I'd really want to do that?
Because I know you.
Yeah. He knows you really well.
Oh, God. Julian?
Hey, man. Want to get some ice?
Nah, we're good, man. I can take it from here.
Okay, she's all yours.
I know.
Oh, alright.
Good night, Al.
Don't call him Allah.
Shit.
What?
Oh, my back. Oh,
What?
shit. I leaned funny.
You leaned funny?
Shit, am I getting old?
Yes.
Temporally challenged.
In fact, you pretty clearly told me you didn't need my help. My own ego got me here.
He's very right.
Hey, I know that we haven't talked a lot in the last couple of years. You should have told me about Betty and Sarah.
Maybe talk about this when I'm in a little less pain.
Betty, yes. Sarah, and Iffy and that one. Depending on why they broke up, why the friendship split happened.
Hey, I'm just returning the favor for Norway.
One of my favorite trips.
Mine too.
Oh, what happened in Norway? Okay, so skip a year and again. Alright, cool.
I just woke up with the craziest fever, and I have never felt so sick in my entire life. Go.
I'm not going without you.
Why? If you don't want to go alone, you can invite somebody. Invite Sarah.
That's over.
Again.
It feels different this time.
It was not.
Just get on that plane, Alex.
Bye.
Is he gonna get on a plane to visit her? And take care of her?
Oh, Poppy. Of course. Duh. What's the point of being in Norway if you're not there?
Exactly.
I'm gonna get you sick.
I have the whole week off anyway.
I do not deserve you. Chicken noodle soup.
With the soda on the side.
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Let it rain. I clear it out. I let it rain. I clear it out.
The lyrics don't make sense. I know. Oh, it feels
Running?
It feels much better.
Are you ignoring me?
No, earphones.
Alex! Sorry! See, that's what you think, but I've never run once, and my back is great.
I'm sorry, you've never run once.
I almost failed PE.
You want to maybe come to the rehearsal dinner tonight?
Sure, never have I ever.
I like the dress on her.
But I can see it's lost.
It fits, the color fits her, yeah.
I caught him trying on my romper.
Okay, that is very out of context.
I'm so glad that you got out of your work thing. Go to Greece anytime.
Oh, whoops.
Why did you come here?
I missed my best friend.
I missed you too.
I just wish that we could go back to the way that things were before Tuscany.
I don't think that's possible.
Is that the next flashback we're gonna see? What happened in Tuscany? Ooh, 2 years ago, that's when the friendship blap. Listen, the music in this movie has been on point so far.
Wow, this is huge.
Wow.
Is that Sarah?
Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh.
Wait, this is the first time they've ever met?
Hey. Can't believe I finally get to meet the famous Poppy. This is Trey.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Trey.
Hey Trey.
Hey, he's from Emily in Paris.
It's actually pretty amazing.
They've been friends what, like 7 years at this point? Best friends, and they've never, and she's only just now meeting the girlfriend. Wow.
It's gonna be a little jarring with you here, who is Alex gonna be texting nonstop.
I've seen Sarah in something else before. Yeah, not awkward at all. Okay, all right. Take it down a notch. Yeah.
You met Alex. He's a bit of a wet lettuce, isn't he?
Is she okay? Oh yeah, she did look off it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, of course. Go check on your friend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you. Hi.
She is not fine with it.
What is it? What's wrong?
I think I'm pregnant.
Oh.
We should get you a test.
It's negative.
Oh, well, that's good, right?
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah, it is. Why is she so unhappy?
No, I'm relieved. I'm just...
Is it a real life?
Yeah. For you, I'm here, okay? I'll always be here.
Did they kiss? It looks like they're gonna.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What was that?
I didn't mean it.
I'm sure you did.
No, I'm just confused, and
What am I to you?
you're my friend. I don't want to ruin that.
You almost did.
Look! Jeez.
I said yes.
I beg your pardon?
This is crazy.
He asked me at the most beautiful spot this morning on our walk. He's such a romantic.
Wow. Okay. Your friend tries to kiss you and then you just pop the question. Alright. What kind of vibes are those? Probably like a backup.
I'm happy for you.
You don't look so.
Damn.
Your face is saying otherwise.
What I want is a stable, loving relationship, and sometimes that takes sacrifice.
Okay.
It's called compromise.
Really, really now.
Alex, I think it's called settling.
She's right.
Sarah and I, we're building something together, something real.
That's why.
That sounds like what Sarah wants.
Is that why I keep breaking up? And get back together?
I think this is our last trip together.
What's he gonna do?
Why did you and Sarah break up?
Good question.
Tell me that I'm not the reason that you're not married right now. Tell me that it's not because of me.
You're probably a reason. I'm pretty sure.
Of course it's because of you.
Whatever we are, whatever this is, I asked too much of you. Friends aren't supposed to ask that much of each other.
I don't want to be your fucking friend, Poppy.
Yeah, I realized that.
I want you.
I want you too.
You don't mean that.
Well, tell me what I mean. Why do you think I'm here?
This is why she went to Barcelona instead of Santorini.
Because I love you.
Are they gonna do it outside right here? But it's not outside. But you know. This is actually pretty. That was. Oh, they're still going. Oh, my bad. I was gonna say. Oh, this is.
Skipped your run.
He had all the exercising needed. Oh, they look nice. I dig it. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Not gonna be. Now you know.
Tasteful blocking. Very nice job. Don't tell me Sarah is at the wedding.
So,
Sarah did not show up.
like, we could just get on the same page about timelines?
He's valid, but also...
Don't ruin this moment with an itinerary.
Exactly. He's ruining the vibe, man. You're ruining the vibe.
Hey.
But he's also very valid.
Talk about all the real life stuff later. Well, I'm sorry if I need a little time to just think things through.
How is it possible that you still don't know what you want?
Well, it's better than being stuck in Linfield waiting. For what?
I was waiting for you. This isn't gonna work. Not in another 10 years.
You do know that, though.
As long as you're you and I'm me.
Oh, wait. I love you.
I love you too.
You gotta try.
Love has never been our problem.
Well, yeah, he's right about that. Not surprised it happened, but you know, it also really bad that it happened. But I can see why.
God, Sarah.
She's a flight attendant now?
My friendship with Alex wasn't fair to you. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You know, I spent a long time blaming you for our problems. I thought that if you just went away, they'd all get solved.
But they did not.
You did, and somehow that was even worse for my relationship. I thought I knew what I wanted from life. Turns out I had no idea.
Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah, that is sad.
Where does the girl who's gone everywhere go now?
Linfield.
Have you ever been to Linfield, Ohio?
God, no. Why, am I missing something?
Not really.
Right.
But I think I am.
Yep. Is he not home? Oh, the noise cancelling earphones. She's gonna run after him.
I hate running.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you were never gonna keep up. Oh yeah, go now, go now.
Bobby?
Finally. Yeah, go ahead. She has to catch her breath.
I always felt like
Oh, okay.
everyone would see that I'm too much. So there's not one thing in my whole life that I wouldn't give up
For you.
to build something new with you.
Yeah.
You're not a vacation to me, Alex. You're home. And I think that I'm that for you too. You can
Say something now.
You can talk now.
What I say when you can show.
So what do we do now?
Whatever you want.
As long as I'm with you, I don't care.
Right. Such a romantic setting, isn't it? See, I was thinking, is there gonna be a next summer?
Kenny G, no. Be nice to your brother.
Those places never felt like home to me.
Kenny G.
But it's a thin line between searching and running away. So after all my searching, this is what I've learned. Home is where you can be entirely yourself.
Yeah.
When you're with the person who loves you, for you,
Yeah.
you're always home. Even on vacation.
So just take me there to hold you. Save me. I'm holding on to you.
This fading. So that was People We Meet on Vacation. And I rated it a 3 out of 5 on Letterboxd. I could have gone. I don't think I wanted to go higher on this. So it says, Pop is a free spirit. Alex loves a plan. After years of summer vacations, these polar opposite pals wonder if they could be a perfect romantic match. And I see the chemistry, and that's why I gave it a 3. It could not get a 5 out of me, or even a 3.5. No, it's very. This is not rom-coms are bad. I liked what's it called again? That movie with Sidney Sweeney and Glenn Powell. It's called He Just Not Into You, just like something like that. Soon check it. But yeah, I was just reading some reviews to get some ideas of what other people thought, and someone said it was like When Harry Met Sally, and a combination of When Harry Met Sally and oh jeez, memory's messed up. Hold on. One Day. When Harry Met Sally and One Day. Okay, and that I didn't watch the film for One Day. I forgot. I said I was gonna watch it. I watched the series. I didn't react to the series. Like it was like 6 or 8 episodes. And something like that. I'm gonna tell you. It was 10 episodes. Whatever it was. It was a limited series, and oh, no, that was amazing. I cried. It was that beautiful. A story and amazing acting. No, the acting in this year, People Meet on Vacation, is very good. Not the best or like anything ever, but there's some decent comedic beats. I felt the romance and everything, but nothing amazing. Where One Day and When Harry Met Sally, both better movies. Oh, sorry, I don't even know the one, both better um, pieces of media than this. It was giving me a lot of um, mm, I don't know, it just don't click. It was visually appealing. Pretty people. I could sense the attraction together. When Emily Bader wanted to be sad, she bet sad. Oh, Sarah Catherine Hook, who played Sarah. Um, hello. Right. So I saw her. I know I saw her on First Kill. That's what I saw her on before, and it's like this series about like vampire, and it's a sapphic story of vampire and monster hunters, and I I reacted to like the first six or so episodes, like 3 quarters of it, and I didn't finish it. I was supposed to do the last two, but I completely. It was just like a time thing, because I prioritize other stuff, and it's gonna be like years later because I watched that was like 2023, something like that. Yeah, I probably need to just go back and finish it because I wanted to do it like a well, I'm gonna say like a Patreon thing, but I'm not doing like a Patreon yet because whatever, it is what it is. But I will do that. Watch that one day. So I was like, her face is just so familiar to me. I was like, huh? Yeah. Okay. And Tom Blythe here who plays Alex. I haven't watched that ugly movie the Ballad of Songbirds Mistakes, whatever it is. He plays President Snow. Well, not President Snow here. He's like a game maker here. In that I haven't watched the movie about. No, that's what I was like. In the back of my head, I was like, his face look familiar, but I've never watched anything he's in. So why does his face look familiar? Yeah, the face that you yeah, okay, that's fine. Emily Bader, I haven't seen her in anything else, but she did her job. She had the chops. She gave me sad and happy and all emotions that she was supposed to present, and she presented them well. I can't fault her acting. Neither his. Um, it's believable that they liked each other and everything, but I don't know. Some of them just click right. I see people saying rom-coms are back and all of that, but I don't too get it with this. Um, it it's not to knock it as like a film because it was a well-made film. I don't know. How can everything just work, but it just don't work? I don't know. Maybe it's because I've been watching Bridgerton and season 4 of Bridgerton, which these those episodes will be out. Those videos will be out before this comes out. Um, I'm not sure how it's gonna work exactly, but you should be seeing my Bridgerton videos around the time that this comes out because I'm gonna try to post this like either on Valentine's Day or like a day or a couple days before, and I'll have finished publishing all of the 4 episodes of Bridgerton because as I film this, the 2 are gonna go up during this week and then the other 2 the following week, and yeah, maybe because I'm just like with Sophie and Benedict, it's just giving me a little more boom by vigor shum. And so maybe I've just been spoiled, and I've seen great films like because I chose to watch this People We Meet on Vacation over Something's Gotta Give. So I was gonna watch Something's Gotta Give because of the recent passing of Diane Keaton. And so I was gonna watch that instead of I watched The Family Stone in Christmas, but I don't know why do people like that movie. Okay, wait, my bad. It's a good movie, but The Family, it's a good movie because of Sarah Jessica Parker's character. Whatever faults and everything that she has, she's a likable character. But The Family, oh man, they were horrible. Not like terrible people, but they were just like as a combination, as a group. No, there's no two vibe with them. No. Yeah, that's the one. Anyway, this is about this. So we jump back and forward in time with this. We went back to when they first met. They did a first road trip, and then we jumped forward to where they go. They went to Canada, and then we met their parents. But that's the only time we actually met the parents. Huh. It was like cameos, really. It was like what total of a couple minutes screen time for them. I'm just realizing that. Wow. Anyway, yeah. And jump forward to when they're in New Orleans, and they are. We see them work together as a pair, and that's when I think I said it in my reaction. That's when that's like the chemistry, seeing them just like hang out together and everything. That is when I saw, oh, okay, I see the chemistry now. So it was like what halfway through the movie or something like that, and I didn't feel it until then. That they could work, not that they liked each other, potentially romantically, because everything else was just giving me good vibes as friends, you know. But then the scene when they're dancing together, and she sprained her ankle, and then he's carrying her and some, and then her boyfriend shows up. But yeah, that was when I could get the vibes, and she looked longingly at him like a couple. Faster the next time when they were, she was supposed to go to Norway, but she was sick, and then he took care of her, and then how she looked at him when he was taking care of her. Okay, yeah, he wasn't given anything romantic, but she was given that. Um, and then we fast forward to Tuscany. Tuscany, they were about to kiss, and then because of her, and then he stopped them, and then they proposed to his girlfriend, on and off girlfriend, and that was, come on, dude, you are. That was just like a basic, like a stop sign to her. And come on, that was nonsense. And yeah, and then bang, they're back in Barcelona. They finally, that's a good love scene actually. Could have done more with it, but it was tasteful. It was, like I said, good luck and everything. Nicely done. I appreciate what they did with that. And so yeah, um, and then the Barcelona and whatever, and then the next some of the romantic scene in a non-romantic setting, like in the middle of the road, the island in the road. Okay, and then we fast forward to the future now, where where's Sarah Lawrence? Is that in New York? I don't know. Anyway, don't matter. They're not in Infield, Ohio, though. Yeah, and she quits her job, and I can understand her quitting the job because doing traveling nonstop for like, what was it, like 5 years or something, 5 6 years, whatever it was, that's gotta take a toll on you mentally. To just be doing that, and then um, like you said, you need to have something to go home to. So otherwise, there she was just traveling with her boyfriend, but they're just constant traveling then, and nothing to go home to. And then if you're when she was single, she was just going home to nothing, you know. So yeah, But here's what it is, you know. So they needed each other. I can buy it, but it's just missing some. I don't know, maybe just like a better movie. It's not like it's a bad movie. It's just not a great movie, and maybe that's what I'm missing for this to be like a great love story. Just like a okay, not okay. It's better than average. It's an above average story. I don't know. I'm just gonna be rambling from now on. So I should cut it here. But yeah, if you get my vibe, you get my vibe. Yeah. So those are my thoughts. Goodbye.